Welcome back to another video from Lord Gizmo. Today we are going to show you the most satisfying factory machines and tools. Make sure to like and subscribe if you want to see more of this type of content. With a hydraulic tube bender, you can make handrails, race car chassis, roll cages, and much more. It is faster and more precise than manual models and saves physical effort. This bender machine doesn't require any human force. You just have to put the steel tube in the right way and wait for the bending process. It costs less than you would spend on a programmable tube bender. A braiding machine interlaces 3 or more strands of yarn or wire to create a variety of materials, including rope, reinforced hose, covered power cords, and some types of lace. The MOT 96-1-130 is designed for bridging the carbon fiber. It has 96 carriers on the head, which lets you braid a mandrel with 500 by 500 by 1000 mm dimensions. No doubt this machine is worth buying and cost saving. KIMLA's CNC BPFT Machining Center is a high-performance device. It has been designed as a platform for machines machining with the cutting method in at least 3 axes. Thanks to the use of additional controlled axes, it combines the functionality of a milling machine, lathe, drilling machine, threading machine, cutting, creasing, pouring device, and much more. It all depends on the configuration. You can use this machine to process both plastics and composites, but above all, light alloys and steel sheets. To meet the requirement of heavy materials processing, they equipped it with spindles with a power of up to 20 kilowatts. XINXIANG developed a new wrapping machine called the FreeShare 15-A. It is suitable for all supermarkets where the packaging of foods, sweets, and fruits is required. Its automatic stretch wrapping film covers all sides of the tray, which keeps the produce fresh for a longer time. This machine is so fast that you can pack 15 packs per minute. Indeed, FreeShare 15-A is cost-saving, fast, and reliable. This machine is the CBM-12. OHA Group designed it for the production of steel chains. You just have to feed the steel bar into it. It can bend a maximum diameter of 12mm steel bar. CBM automatically works with a series of automatic processing of the uninterrupted material feeding, straightening, bending, and cutting. TRT-210 is a tilting rotary table. This machine not only puts 5-axis capabilities well within reach of the average job shop, but its new smaller size also provides greater mounting flexibility than its predecessor. They have designed it to create a much more compact and versatile solution for mid-size mills. The new unit easily fits on one end of a machine's table, leaving the remainder open for additional fixtures or vices. With the TRT-210 software systems and manual brakes, you can design any shape you want. All these features make it plug and play. FORMECH's 508FS machine offers a significant advantage over the desktop series with pre-stretch, auto-level, and a much more powerful flow rate for demanding applications. This machine gives you the freedom to design all ranges of decorative pieces from printed POS to car body shells. Its innovative graphically driven touchscreen control with memory function makes the 508FS very easy to use, whilst its powerful forming capabilities provide extensive project versatility. PROMOTECH manufactures a wide range of advanced portable professional machines and industrial systems. But their Pro 45/2 ATEX is on another level. It is a small pneumatic drilling machine, which allows cutting holes up to 45mm in diameter. The combination of a pneumatic drive with a permanent magnetic base eliminates the need for an electric power supply. Thus, it makes this machine an ideal solution for hazardous environments, such as oil drilling platforms, petrochemical plants, oil refineries, shipbuilding, and the petrochemical industry, where a single spark can ignite a big blast. Pharmaceuticals and healthcare products require proper careful packaging. IWK is the market leader in manufacturing automatic tube filling machines and delivers reliable, high-quality solutions to its customers. For years, they are continuously improving efficiency and meeting the growing demand for packaging solutions designed for complex product groups. They offer a cartoning machine program with continuous and intermittent motion cartoners, primarily designed for the pharmaceutical and cosmetic industries. Also, they have high-speed solutions for collating, sorting, and handling various products in a precise manner. Hey guys, thanks for watching and we really hope that you enjoyed the video. If you have any thoughts about what you just watched or have ideas for future videos, comment them down below. If you enjoyed what you just saw, feel free to like and subscribe. and don't forget to hit the notification bell too. Thanks for watching, and we hope to catch you next time.